Shanghai Lantai Microwave Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited has 15 years of experience in the design, production, sales, and after-sales service of industrial microwave drying equipment. Our company's designed and produced equipment is suitable for drying, heating, dehydrating, baking, thawing, sterilizing, ripening, and puffing of foods, grains, aquatic products, agricultural and sideline products, poultry products, meats, fruits, vegetables, teas, flowers, medicinal herbs, chemicals, woods, etc. Our company has an excellent quality management team, professional technical research and development team, and skilled production workers, ensuring the continuous improvement of equipment quality. In recent years, our microwave vacuum low-temperature rapid dehydration equipment has received good market feedback because it is a high-tech product that integrates mechanical, microwave, vacuum and automatic control. It has solved various drying problems in many fields and has been exported to more than 30 countries, receiving unanimous praise. Welcome to visit our factory and look forward to working with you soon.